What's up, Cayman Life back again. Well, today we got something special for you guys. I'm gonna do a drone footage of this facility, give you guys a bird's eye view of where we are and how beautiful it is. So, stay tuned to that. But we're in 5 days now in quarantine, and we got about 10 days more to go home. Can't wait, man, to go home, to see my dog, see my daughter, see my whole family. It's gonna be a blessing to go home and just be with them, But anyway, without further ado, I'm gonna give you guys the drone footage, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay? Peace. So coming back from the drone footage right now, I'm going to show you guys where we are for the next 10 days. So I'm going to show you around the whole apartment here. So here we go. So we got my daughter over there. Say hi. She's on the sofa bed. You know, we got a computer over here. We got a TV right here. Say hi, wife. My wife is doing the job. And you got a sofa. You got a dining room table. And right now we're going to do some washing. So we got a washer and dryer.
Wow.
And over here you got a 1 bedroom. It's kind of messy, but that's okay. Got a 1 bedroom here. And over here we got a bathroom. Very nice. Thumbs up. Compliment. And over here we have the full kitchen. So we actually got a nice facility where we stay in for now. You know, I really appreciate that a lot. Okay. That, I'm gonna end this video right now by saying thanks for watching. And what? Hold on.
Subscribe and smash that like button.
Alright, so here we go. So subscribe, smash that like button, and thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.